links, that is connecting to one web page to another web page. Then music, how to add music and how to add videos. Then creating tables we have seen. Along with tables, we have seen how spanning could be done. Spanning means where you can combine two or more rows or columns is known as your spanning. So how to do that spanning we have seen. So now we were seeing about how to divide the browser window. So dividing the browser window, this also we have seen. So in this part till this part we have seen. So targeting frames also we have seen. The next is nesting of frame set. That is nesting of frame set, Chanda. What it could be? That is like nested loops. Like nested loops inside a frame set itself. You can have another division of your windows. Okay, inside one where your browser is being divided. From the divided browser also you can further divide. That is known as your nesting of frame set. So for example, you can just look into this diagram over here. So see this diagram. So if you just see into this diagram, so first your diagram that is first your browser is divided horizontally, that is row wise. Okay, Adim it is divided row wise. After being divided into row wise, what happens is it is further divided into column wise. It is further divided into column wise. So here you should be very careful about how the division goes and what could be the files to be placed. So how to implement this nested frame set? Now just look into this. So first what you're doing here is, see here, listen. First it has to be divided row wise, I told you. So here this line you can see. This line you can see. This frame set rows is equal to 85 comma star. So here rows on row wise, here it is divided. So these two are created first row wise. So two segments are being done. So in this row, what should be the file that I have to place? In this row, what should be the file that I should place? I am doing it with the help of frame tag. Okay, frame tag, you say that I'm going to place the source file what is to be displayed on the browser. So frame src is equal to sample frame 1. So some file that I have already created. Okay. So this file is being placed in this part. Okay. Ivada adu vannu place on. See this second row is further divided into two segments. This further divided into two segments as column wise. So that you can see it in this tab. So frame set calls is equal to 200 comma star. 200 comma star. Now this is divided into two segments as column wise. Ini two columns what are the frames to be placed? So sample frame src is equal to, src is your source attribute, sample frame 2.html and sample frame 3.html. So which should be the frame that is to be closed first? So this frame, this, ഇതാണ് first to close ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. So that is being closed over here. So this green color tick mark what I have given over here should be the first frame set that is to be closed. Then the next one to be closed is the outer frame. നമുക്ക് loops ൽ പഠിച്ച പോലെ തന്നെയാണ്. So this should be the one that is to be closed at last. Is it clear? So this is what is known as your nesting of frame set. So similarly like this, they'll give you one diagram like this in the question paper. Write the suitable HTML tags for this. This will be your question. Okay. This output diagram they'll give you. You have to write a suitable code for this. So adina code names that names they will specify and give you. If not, you can keep your own specified names. Okay, your choice. So this diagram you have to understand and write e-coding aanu ezhudandadu. That's it with this. Okay. So the next is same way here. If you want to add some files over here like this, you can go on to add some files. Links you can go on to add your links also. For this only you have the link attributes. Okay. Next, this is the last part of this chapter, that is forms in web pages. That is forms in web pages. So what is meant by a form? Application form is the simplest example. So whenever now you are already in your 12th standard, now you would have submitted your application form for your improvement exam and all these, right? So form means what? A paper in which some details are to be filled for processing, okay, and submitted for processing. So that is what an application form is. So you have been doing some online applications also, yes or no? Online many will be writing your online exams have you written? So if you're writing any online exams and all, means you have to download the form from it, and then you have to fill up all the details and then upload, or directly online then you have to fill all the details and click the submit button. So that is what is known as forms. So here also how to create that forms, that is what we are going to see over here. So to collect the data from the viewer for processing, and then takes the input from the web pages and posts the data to backend application for processing, dividing the or a line extra. Okay, so tags are used. The tag used is form and close form. So it is a container tag. So the tag used is form and close form is the tag used. Okay, so here it is. And the attributes are mainly action and method are to be used. Target, we generally don't use at this early level. Okay, target, suppose if you have linked attributes, അതായത് links create ചെയ്യണം ഒരു ഫോമിൽ ഇരുന്ന് ഇനി ഒരു വെബ്സൈറ്റിലുള്ള ഒരു ഫോമിലേക്കും കൂടി, if you have to move on to different websites, so in that situation only you will be using this target attribute. So action means specifies the URL of the form handler which is ready to process. എന്താണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? Okay, what to do? Okay, then the next is method. This in detail you will be learning it in 10th chapter, that is get method and post method. Method vannu other submission കഴിഞ്ഞ what data should be given to the server, what data will be fetched by the server, അതിനാണ് ഈ method. So this in detail you will be learning it in 10th chapter, so you can give it in get or post method. Normally we give it in post method. Okay, so this is what is meant by forms. Either this part mainly they don't ask, so this is mainly for links, that is ഒരു ഫോമിൽ ഇരുന്ന് ഇനിയൊരു ഫോമിലേക്ക് പോകാനോ, or otherwise the connected form is if it is in your next website. So like that, if you want to move over there only, you will be using this target attribute. Okay, so the next, how to create that form. Form could be created with the help of form tag. Form is created with the help of form tag. Chumma form tag matram irnal, that is not sufficient for us. So you have to input the values. How that input can be done is with the help of input tag. Input is done with the help of your input tag, which is a singular tag. Inputting the data into your form is done with the help of your singular tag. Okay, that is known as your input tag. So different types of inputs are available. So how that input type, adana attribute, how to give the different types of inputs is given with the help of your type attribute. Okay, different types of inputs can be given with the help of your type attribute. A type attribute, no, values are present. For that type attribute, values are present. So for that only you have your text attribute, password, checkbox, radio, reset, submit, and button are the values. Okay, text, password, checkbox, radio, and reset are the values. Text എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ simply one box will be created for you. Simply one box will be created for you and you can enter the values. Password means what? Same as text box. Okay, same as text box. But the only thing is നമ്മൾ password അടിക്കുമ്പോൾ how do we see? Either dots or your star symbol. അല്ലേ? Either dots or star symbol. Only this you can see. So the same way passwords അടിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് it is like coded symbols. So that should not be visible to others also. So for that only password option is there. Okay. Then the next is checkbox option. Checkbox എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് if you want to give multiple choice as inputs, അതായത് കുറേ options ഉണ്ട്. ഇതിലിരുന്ന് more than one option if you want to give. It's not only based on yes or no values. Yes or no കൊടുക്കാം. Apart from that, more options input ആയിട്ട് കൊടുക്കണം. For example, hobbies if I tell. Okay, some people will have 2 or 3 hobbies. Appo more options are there for you. So appo more options how to give is given with the help of your checkbox options. Suppose radio buttons we tell. Okay, radio nu ivide ezhudittunde, but generally in a common term adine expanded aayittu parayanengil we'll tell it as radio buttons. That is to choose only one option from the list of options. Okay, just to choose only one option. Or option e choose cheyan pattullu. For example, your section is there. Okay, 12 A B C. You belong to only one section, right? You are the students who belongs only to B section. Appo A, B, C എന്നുള്ള മൂന്ന് section ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ your choice is only for one section, that is your B section. Appo from the given list ലിരുന്ന് you can choose only one section for one option, that is your radio option. The next is reset. As the name itself indicates, as the name itself indicates, what it does is, so we have entered all the details in the form. Okay, now the next person has to come and enter the same details, his personal details, right? Or a form you have filled up. Now after filling up you have submitted. Okay, you have given for processing. Now the next person has to come and fill the form once again. So what you have to do is you have to reset the form once again. A fresh form should appear on the screen. Once again, a fresh form should appear on the screen. So for that only you have your reset option. Okay, adanana reset ullathu. Next is submit. That whatever you have filled it, you have to submit it to the server for processing. Whatever you have filled on the form. That if the school manually aanengil, what you do is you will come and give it in the office for processing. Here if it is online means you have to submit it to the server for processing. Then the next is button. Graphical button on form to trigger some function. അതായത് button എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് some work has to be done. Okay, some work has to be done on the form means we can do it only with the help of button. Okay, അത് we will be learning it in 6th chapter. Okay, this option you will be learning it in 6th chapter in detail. Okay, some work to be done on the form. Inputs കൊടുത്തു. Inputs കൊടുത്തതിന് you have to do some processing on those inputs and you have to receive some output also. For that only you will be using this button option. Okay, this you will be learning in the next chapter. Okay, this is what a form is. So idinte oro controls we will be learning it now. So for example, input is your tag. It has got type as one main attribute. Compulsory ആയിട്ട് type attribute വേണം ട്ടോ. Without your type attribute you cannot go on to do any work. Okay, the next other attributes associated with your input tag are, okay, the next other attributes associated with your input tag are name. Okay, ഒരു name, ഒരു unique name you can give. Okay, ഇതില് now initially ഇതൊന്നും ആവശ്യമില്ല. Okay, initially these are not required, but when you move on to a 6th chapter ഇതെല്ലാം ഒരു need വരും. Okay, this plays a vital role. Okay, so അപ്പൊ ഒരു box create ചെയ്ത അതിന് you can give a unique name. For that only you have your name attribute. For that only you have your name attribute. Okay, next is value, used to provide initial value inside the control. അതിന് ഒരു starting value കൊടുക്കാൻ. Okay, For that only you have your value attribute. Then the next is size. Sets the width of the input text in terms of characters. That is the number of characters you can give as input. Okay. How many number of characters you can give as input could be done with the help of your size attribute. Is it clear? Next is especially for text box creating adunum password. Okay. Then the next is maximum length. The next is max length. Okay. That is maximum number of characters you can give. How many maximum number of characters you can give. Size. At the same time, what could be the maximum characters that could be seen visibly on the screen is your size. Stretchly, number of characters, how many number of characters you can visibly see on the screen is your size. Then max length means maximum number of characters you can give as input. Maximum number of characters that you can give as input is your max length. Okay. Size max length varyana. Size is for the number of characters you can see on the screen. Maximum number of characters at a single stretch you can see on the screen. Max length means the number of characters you can give as input. Okay. The maximum number of characters you can give as input. Okay. This is applicable for your type attribute. Type attribute varumba ittarim options namukku available aanu. Okay. Next is for password. Password num one important thing is there. Sorry. For password also, one important thing to be noted is this: name, size, max length. This name, size, and max length. These attributes are applicable even for your password also. These attributes are applicable for your password also. Password enalla type inde value kodukkumbozhum these attributes are also applicable here also. Okay. So input type. Listen very carefully. Okay. Input type. Okay. Input type submit ആണെങ്കിൽ its value is show. Its value is show. ഇതൊരു sure question ആണ്. Okay. If input type is reset, its value is clear. Okay. If input type is button, its value is show. Its value is show. This is a sure question and every time they keep asking this question, what is the value for input type equal to submit, allengil reset or for button? They always ask this question. So in the values is what is being underlined over here. This you shouldn't go wrong. This you shouldn't go wrong. Is it clear? It is compulsory ആയിട്ട് തെറ്റിക്കാതെ എഴുതണം. Is this clear? So based on this, we'll see one program. Okay. Based on this, we'll see one program.